My name is Brandon Otis from West Palm Beach, Florida. I work with Good Vibrations Audio, Triple Dimension Fabrication as well. Here we are, Rick Booth's car. Just got a demo of it. Let me tell you, it's fantastic. Full ground zero build, everything from the doors, got three-way. In the door, 6.5s, mids and tweeters on the dash. Fab work and presentation of the build is absolutely fantastic. He played a couple different songs for me. Incredibly wide sound field. I just sat there in the driver's seat, closed my eyes to listen to it. I mean, I could hear voices all over the place, and even dead center stage, way up front. I mean, talk about proper time delay and execution in that. Rear stage, we're running ground zero uranium amps in here. Plenty of power for everything, really sounds fantastic. Talk about accuracy and detail with the sound, incredible stuff. Fab work was all done locally here in Florida. It looks amazing. A bunch of different guys, I guess, are involved in it. Fit and finish, everything just came together absolutely amazing. This is my first time even seeing or hearing the car. I was able to do some of the laser fab work for the acrylic. I really enjoy the whole car. It just was awesome to me. Looking forward to seeing the rest of the show and getting in here. This is my first demo of the day. Literally walked in and it's front and center stage, so couldn't be happier to see. My work in a place like this is amazing. I've already met a ton of awesome people and looking forward to the rest of the show. So.